Today we're making Bourekia with Anari. Cypriot pastry with cheese. Start with 400 grams plain flour, half teaspoon salt. Now put inside your melted butter. Mix him up with your hands, little bit pinch, and make him looking like the breadcrumbs. Make him a little circle in the middle and put inside all your water. Combine everything properly and fix him up till it's not stick your hands. If he's needing more water, give him more drinking. Put some flour on the bench. Now knead him couple minutes. Make him one nice bowl. Put him some plastic. Now leave him relax 30 minutes. In one bowl, put inside 500 grams Anari. Crush him up. Put inside 1/3 cup sugar, half teaspoon cinnamon. Now mix them all up. Take him your dough, tie him some pieces, little bit more flour on the bench, put the one down, press him. Now get one roller and slowly we make him flat. You want him thin, but not too thin. Get him one cutter and make him many circles. Pull him off, don't throw him, roll him up, do it again. Get him your cheese, test him. Put your cheese, your circle, fold him, little bit your fingers. Now get him one fork and slowly we go around the outside. You want them nice and close like this, like a Greek dumpling. Put them aside, cover them and keep going. Get one pot, fill him up your oil, turn him on the gazi, roughly 180 degrees. Be careful and put some aside. Flip them and leave them cooking couple minutes. Take them out when they're golden brown, put them aside and keep going till it's all finished. Take them the last one, turn off the gazi, leave them cool down. Put some sugar, little bit cinnamon, mix him. Now fix him up the top. Get him one plate, take some pieces, little bit more sprinkle if you need it, and fix up some beautiful Greek honey. She's bloody beautiful, mate.